Hello, comic book guys and gals, and welcome to Comic Mag Musings. This fella's your host, Bill Miller. All right, so we have another part of our unboxing. We've got 3 graded comic books and 1 raw comic. So let's go ahead and get started. I've already taken most of the plastic and tape off, so it shouldn't be too difficult. I haven't looked at anything, so you get to see them first before I do. So first, the raw book. Here we go. Oh boy, how cool is that? What is this? Twisted Tales, number 1 from Pacific. And that is in a wild bag. Why don't we take it out of that? That's much better. So very excited about that one. It's in pretty darn good shape too. All right, next we've got 3 graded books. So I'll try again to not look. That way you get to see them first. All right, here is the Foyston. Boom. Oh boy, we got ourselves a Simon Garth. That's fantastic. This is Monsters Unleashed number 2, Marvel Comics, September of 1973. Boris Karloff article and photos. Frankenstein monster stories begin. Jerry Conway story, Boris Vallejo cover. Frank Bruner, Sid Shores, and Ralph Reese art. This is a CGC 4.0 with off-white to white pages. And on the back is a coupon for LaSalle Extension University. So this is a well-loved copy that I don't know what I'm going to do. Either I leave it in here for display, or I crack it out so I can have the raw comic. I'm not sure. You tell me, what would you do? Leave a comment. Would you leave this in the CGC case or would you crack it out? All right. 2 more. Not looking. Oh, it's the wrong way. No, there we go. And here we are. Boom. Oh boy. You better believe we collect Ghost Rider. This is Ghost Rider number 61. Marvel Comics, October of 1981. Water Wizard appearance. Michael Fleischer story. Alan Kupperberg and Sal Trapani art. Bob Budiansky and Bob Wiacek cover. This is a CGC 9.2 with white pages. And on the back, you can earn prizes or cash. Now, Mrs. Musings does not like me to tell you the prizes. But what I can do, with a clear conscience, is give you a sampling of what the prizes would be, were you to select prizes instead of cash. We have a glass bow archery set. Ooh. A zipper carry-all bag. A Revell Tomcat airplane model F-14A. An electronic Space Invader handheld video game. It's an electric football game. I have one of those. I used to have it when I was little. I might break that out for Mini Musings and let him play that. GE walkie-talkie set. 2 of them. So you can talk to one another. And a bike speedometer. How cool is that? Just a small sampling of the prizes that you can get from Olympic for selling something, cards and gifts from a free sample book. All right, so that's Ghost Rider issue number 61. And one more. Let's see what we got here. All right, are you ready for this? Boom. Oh boy, we got ourselves another Ghost Rider. Fantastic. This one is Ghost Rider number 42. Marvel Comics, March of 1980. Michael Fleischer story. Don Perlin art. Bob Budiansky and Bob Wiacek cover. This is a CGC 9.4 with white pages. On the back is an advertisement for Star Trek, the motion picture. I believe this particular film from the franchise introduces Luke's home planet. So that's very exciting. Star Trek, the motion picture. All right, and that's Ghost Rider issue number 42, and that will do it for the graded comics that we have for today. I hope you enjoyed seeing those, and if you did, I would encourage you to subscribe and hit that notification bell. That way you're alerted as soon as I release new content. Thumbs up and comments are always appreciated. And remember, we're taking over the world one comic book at a time.